past. I think it's all my fault, questioning if I'm wrong. I gotta make it stop. One call was all I needed. Right now I feel completed. 2019 is over. Been 4 years single. Though for me it stood out. Bleed to just hear one sound. I die to hear that noise. The calmness of your voice. Knew how it turned out. Soon you'd be leaving town. And I couldn't bear that thought. Was hard to move on. 32 degrees, lungs get colder by the second. Been through hell and out, it's like there's some type of obsession. Wondering the choice you made, if you've ever regretted. If you gotta say something, why don't you come confess it? Every time you mention how I need to find me. Don't know what you're trying to say, don't know what you mean. I think you're just saying words, you're just saying things. Even you confuse yourself, you don't know what to think. The reason why I live is to hope for a day, to finally see guidance leading your way. Wonder how to start, wonder where I go. All of it requires leaving my home. Been through a bit and so much has gone. You don't gotta be sorry, went through a lot. I can see us starting a family. I think it's the only thing